Hi, in this tutorial I'll teach you how to sign up for Discord. First, you can either press download for Windows. I will probably cover that in another tutorial. For now we're going to use the browser version. So press open Discord, create a username. Let's name ourselves random guy. Accept the terms of service. You can read that if you want. Oh, I've got a verification captcha here, so there we go. And now wait for this to load. Finish signing up. Let's make a date of birth. Just go. Why not? Uh, yeah. Then you'll enter an email. Use this. And just make a password. There we go. Now you get a verification code. I'll accept that later. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it useful.